Hello and welcome back to Cyber Mutation. So, as we have seen that we can make a manual phishing page by editing something in HTML document and using a script file, but it is a long task and you might feel that it is very time consuming. So we have another tool which is SpyFisher, which will make our process very easier. So for that, firstly, we will just open a new terminal. Sudo su, we will come into here everything, and here we can see that we need PyFisher in our system. So for that, we will just copy this GitHub link and we will type here git clone. We'll just paste the link over here. It will clone the PyFisher in our system. You will be able to see the PyFisher folder on desktop, as I am in the desktop directory. Now, if you don't know how we can install this tool, so we will just go to installation and you can see over here that easily how we can clone the repository, how we can enter the repository, and how we can install the requirements. So cd PyFisher. So this is how we will go into the directory. Let's just PyFisher. Now if we give again ls, we have pyfisher.py, which is the actual script, and we have files which might have some installation files. So if you want to install all modules, we will just do pip install, and this will install all the requirements required for this tool. Wait for it to install all the dependencies. It says that requirement already satisfied for many of the packages. So it's now to run PyFisher, we will need to use the command python 3 pyfisher.py. So it says please wait. It will connect to Cloudflare for making the server. It is getting all the websites. We mean that as we have edited the HTML, PyFisher has many other sites like Facebook, Instagram, phishing pages, which help us to make the phishing page very instantly. So it is asking that do you have localhost authentication? We do not have localhost authentication, so we give no, N for no, and we press enter. It will generate some key pairs. And now we are into our PyFisher tool. So here we can see that to make a phishing page, we have Facebook traditional page, we have Facebook voting page. So in this scenario, the page you send the victim will ask you for the vote, and it will ask for ID passwords, and that ID password will be reflected to us. And we have Facebook security, Messenger, Instagram traditional, Instagram auto followers, 1000 followers. So you can also trap the victim by telling them that I will give you free 1000 followers. You just have to go on a link, you have to log in and do some things. So these are the techniques through which you can easily get the ID password. So here it is asking us select one of the options. So let's go with Instagram traditional. So there you will only have to add the ID password. It will give us a simple Instagram login page. So we click 5. It will ask that do you want the OTP page? So many accounts nowadays have OTP, two-factor authentication. So if you give yes, it will also construct a OTP page. So whenever a victim will receive OTP, you will get the OTP over here. Right now we will give no and we will proceed because we do not have OTP, and enter shadow URL, so where you want to send or what is the preview. So let's just skip it and enter redirection URL. So here we will enter the URL of Instagram where you want to transfer the victim. So let's go to instagram.com. Or you can what do is you can search for some celebrity. For example, let's Oppenheimer. We will go to the profile of Kelly Murphy. So we copy his name. And you can see that there are many Instagram name as Tom Shelby about the Peaky Blinders. Just use this URL to redirect him. So we can tell him that there is a great Instagram page of our favorite actor. You can visit it. So you can make any story up and you can just send this URL. So it is creating a phishing page for us. It will automatically start the PHP server for us. It will automatically use the SQL server if needed. It will also remind that PHP server has started successfully. If any error is happening in ongoing process, it will show you over here that why the tool has failed to complete the specific task. So here we get the URLs for Cloudflare, localhost run. So we just take the URL of Cloudflare and we open this link too. So here we can see that login.html Insta page is here. Now if I enter cyber, I enter the password as let's say 123456789. Just hit login. So we will be directed to the Kelly Murphy page of Instagram, and we don't want to try, so we just hit skip. Okay, so now we have to do login info. We just forgot to give one input over here. Again, we just go back. We just refresh this page. And we have username cyber mutation, and we enter password 123456789. Login. We click don't save. So we have redirect, and here we can see that we have the Instagram username cyber mutation and password as 1234567. This makes our Instagram phishing or any page phishing very easy. If you are waiting for next, you can stay, or we can press Ctrl C to exit. So let's press Ctrl C. So it will shut down the servers and it will just end it. So there are some errors occurred while exiting, but it's fine. We will just run the tool again and we will check that what options we have. So you can try other options for yourself, as I have demonstrated in Instagram, and we have seen manual phishing in Netflix. We can use many other pages. You can also use Gmail, you can use Microsoft, Netflix is also here, PayPal, Steam, Twitter, PlayStation, Spotify. We have Hotstar, PhonePe, Paytm. Every phishing page can be constructed in PyPhisher very easily. So I would recommend you to try this tool, and if you have any query, you can just drop it in the comment section, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.